Hello, my dear students. We discussed a few questions in the previous class. Up to question number 4, we solved. Now you see the question number 5. How is a voltmeter connected in the circuit to measure the potential difference between 2 points? Okay. A voltmeter is always connected in parallel with the wire. Voltmeter is always connected in parallel with the resistance. Okay. Next question. A copper wire has diameter 0.5 mm and a resistivity 1.6 into 10 to the minus 8 ohm meter. You see question number 6. Diameter দিয়া আছে d is equal to 0.5 mm. तो यार क्रॉस सेक्शन एरिया किमान হ'ব यार क्रॉस सेक्शन एरिया pi r square in terms of diameter it will be pi d square by 4. It is 0.5 mm means 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Resistivity rho is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter. Resistance you are given R is equal to 10 ohm. तो আমি উলিয়াব লাগে এতিয়া length of the wire L is equal to question mark. We know R is equal to rho L by A. From this equation L is equal to RA by rho. L is equal to RA by rho. Then you just put R area. Here you have to put the value of D and you calculate yourself. Then put here all these things, then you will find the length of the wire. Next you are asked if the diameter is doubled, how does the resistance change? Diameter to double korile resistance to ki hobo? You see, if diameter is double, if diameter is double, then what will happen? If diameter is double, then what will happen? A is equal to pi, B is equal to twice this, then A is equal to 4 pi d square by 4. Then here it will be A is equal to 4 pi d square by 4. So this, therefore R is equal to rho L by A rho L by A dash, suppose it will be pi 4 pi d square 4. That means 1/4 of lower L by 4a, 1/4 of rho L by a, that is 1/4 of R. That is, resistance will be 1/4. Resistance will be 1/4, 1/4 of its initial value. 1/4 of its initial value. আগত যেটো আছিল তাৰ 4 ভাগৰ এভাগ হৈ যাব যদি আমি তাৰ ডায়ামিটাৰটো ডাবল কৰি দিওঁ। Next question you see, question number 7, you do yourself. Question number 8, when a 12-volt battery is connected across an unknown resistor, then a current of 2.5 milliampere in the circuit. Find the value of resistance of the resistor. It is very simple. Voltage is given, current is given, so you just apply Ohm's law. V is equal to IR. Then you find out the resistance. Okay? You do yourself. Question number 9. A battery of 9 volt is connected in series with resistors of 0.2 ohm, 0.3 ohm, 0.4 ohm, 0.5 ohm and 12 ohm respectively. How much current would flow through the 12 ohm resistor? You see, the resistances are connected in series. So in series connection, the same current will flow through all the resistors. যদি আমি ৰেজিষ্টৰবিলাক সিৰিজত লগাওঁ, সিৰিজত থাকিলে কাৰেণ্টটো সেম কাৰেণ্ট ফ্লো হ'ব। গতিকে কি হ'ব? কাৰেণ্ট কিমান যাব ইয়াত? কাৰেণ্টটো কিমান ফ্লো হ'ব? Question number 9. Question number 9. Total resistance is equal to, it is question number 9. Total resistance capital R is equal to 0.2 plus 0.3 plus 0.4 plus 0.5 plus 12. It will be 5 plus 9.9 plus 5 1.4. That means R is equal to 13.4 ohm. Okay. Therefore, I is equal to V by R. Here it is 13.4, then it is 9. So, .2 plus 0.3, 0.5, 0.5 to 0.9, 1.4, 13.4. So it will be, the answer will, you just calculate this and you will get the answer. Okay, next you see, how many 176 ohm resistors in parallel are required to carry 5 ampere on a 220 volt line? Okay. Question number 10. Let n be the number of resistances resistors connected in parallel. Therefore 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by 176 plus 1 by 176 plus 1 by 176. 1 by Rp, suppose here n resistors, so it will be n by 176. দুটা হলে 2 by 176, তাহলে n টা হলো n by 176. Therefore Rp is equal to 176 divided by n. Now this is connected V is equal to IR. V is 220. So I is 5 ampere. It is 176 by n. Then it is 44. So n is equal to 176 by 44. The answer is 4. This is Ohm's law. V is equal to IRP. I is 5 ampere. So n will be ultimately 4. So 4 resistors will be required. Next question. Question number 11. So how would you connect 3 resistors of each of resistance 6 ohm so that combination has a resistance of 9 ohm, number 2 4 ohm. 6 ohm resistance 3 টা দিয়া আছে. First question, number 1, you take 2 resistors in parallel and then next resistor in series with that. Okay, then the required answer will be 9 ohm. In the next question, you see question number 11 is wrong for part 2. Question number 11 to wrong হৈ আছে, so আমি question এৰি দিছো. Next question 12. Several electric bulbs designed to be used on a 220 volt electric supply line are rated 10 watt. 10 watt bulb কেইটামান আছে দিয়া আছে. How many lamps can be connected in parallel? Parallel আমি কিমানটা ল্যাম্প লগাব পাৰিম? ঠিক আছে, across the 2 wires of 220 volt line if the maximum allowable current is 5 ampere. Current to দিয়া আছে 5 ampere. তে আমি কিমান কেনেকুৱা ল্যাম্প লগাব পাৰিম? 220 volt line দিয়া আছে, বাল্ব বিলাকৰ পাৱাৰ দিয়া আছে 10 watt. So 10 wattৰ বাল্ব কেইটা আমি 220 ভল্টৰ লগত প্যাৰেলেল কৰি লগাব পাৰিম. কাৰেণ্টটো দিয়া আছে 5 ampere. Question number 12. Let n be the number of bulbs connected in parallel. Let R be the resistance of each bulb. Therefore, 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R plus 1 by R plus 1 by R plus 1 by R implies Rp is equal to R by N. You see, P is equal to V square by R. So R is equal to V square by P. 220 into 220 divided by 10, then it will be 48. You see, we know P is equal to V square by R. গোটেইটা বাল লাগি আছে প্যারালেলত, সব প্ৰত্যেকৰ কাৰণে V টো 220 কে হ'ব। আৰু পাৱাৰটো সবৰে দিয়া আছে 10 ওয়াট কে দিয়া আছে। তেতিয়াহ'লে কিমান হ'ব? এটা বাল্বৰ ৰেজিস্ট্যান্স কিমান হ'ব? 4840 ওহম। এটা আমি ইয়াৰ পৰা উলিয়াই লিলো। তেতিয়াহ'লে বহাইলে কি হ'ব? Now V is equal to I into Rp. 220 I to दिया है 5, Rp माने R by N, R लगा कितना आइबो 4840 by N, एफला से 220 होले 22, तो N is equal to हो गए 110। तो हमें 110টা বাল্ব আমি 110টা বাল্ব আমি প্যারালেলত কানেকশন কৰিব পাৰিম যদি কারেন্টটো দিয়া আছে 5 এম্পিয়ার। বুঝি পালা নাই আৰু এই ধৰি পাইছা? Next question. What is the next question given? Question number 13. A hot plate of an electric oven connected to a 220 volt line has two resistance, coil A and coil B. দুইটা resistance দিয়া আছে in series or in parallel. What are the current in the three cases? तो पैरेलल लगाब पारे, सीरीज लगाब पारे, बा सेपारेट कर लगाब पारे। तो तुम्हारे you do yourself. Question number 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. These are the assignments for you. You must have to submit. Otherwise, I will solve it in your Google Classroom. Okay. Next question number 18. Explain the following. Why is tungsten used almost exclusively for filament of electric lamps? Electric lamp or tungsten क्यों use करा है? Tungsten का melting power बहुत बेसी, so that बहुत heat होलो क्यों वो? It does not easily melt. the melting point of tungsten is very much high, so it can restore a very large amount of heat to produce light. Okay. Question number B. Why are the conductors of electric heating devices such as bread toasters and electric iron made of an alloy rather than a pure metal? You see, alloys have very high resistance, so they can produce a very very large amount of heat, which is required during ironing. C. Why is the series arrangement not used for domestic circuit? You see, if you connect a series arrangement, যদি আমি সিরিজত তিনটা বাল্ব লগাই দিলোঁ, তেতিয়া এটা বাল্ব যদি কেনেবাকৈ বেয়া হৈ যায় বাকীকেইটাই কাম নকৰা হৈ যাব। কিন্তু যদি আমি পেৰেলেল লগাই দিওঁ, পেৰেলেল লগালে এটা বাল্ব বেয়া হ'লেও বাকীকেইটাই কাৰেণ্ট ফ্ল' হৈ থাকিব, চ' বাকী বাল্বকেইটা আমাৰ জ্বলি থাকিব। ডি. How does the resistance of a wire vary with its area of cross section? Resistance is inversely proportional to the area of cross section. ঠিক আছে? E. Why are copper and aluminum wires usually employed for electricity transmission? Copper and aluminum wire have very high conductivity, so they are used for electricity transmission. Okay, with this I end my video. Thank you.